Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to animate text in CapCut PC. So first of all, you want to select your video and you want to add text right here at the top left corner. Now let's use a default for now, and let's drag it to our video. Let's make it the same length as our video because I, for example, want this text through the whole video. Now you want to write down something. Let's write it down, moving train, for example. Now let's edit it a little bit and change our font. Like, for example, let's use this one. Then you can change the font size. And I also would like to add some outline maybe. So let's try and find what we need. I will make opacity 50%. We can add glow or a shadow, something like that. Now this is how you edit, and of course you can change the color of it if you want to. Now you want to go ahead and click on templates. You can also use from templates some fonts, but for animation you're going to click animation button right here at the top right corner, and you're going to choose animations you would like to have. So for the sake of this video, let's try to find a beautiful animation. For example, this one. Now, as you can see, the animation length is 0.5 seconds. You can make it longer. You can make it through the whole video, or you can make it through the half of the video. Basically, that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.